Thank you. All right. I got my new house. Nano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po ne? Ako Luis Season.
Marco Nanan, ning we're in Pampanga.
Kabalen ngayon po nga daw ngayon ni may invite kami kayang Ma'am Keesha ning Montana Views
Yes.
sabi da kaya kami we might be interested to check in karelang project. So ang gawin niyo po ngayon ni guys, bakit miya po kaya kayo ining Montana Views and Montana Strands located siya po ini kening City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Nung ating po questions, leave them at the comment section. Ikami mo naman po lungupta mo kaya ni as mag-inquire.
Yeah.
Na kasi
Actually, mag-inquire kami, lawentala din bale, and mali mo mag-interesado kayo to have one.
Tuto. Wait, bayan nyo kami po, tara lungupta mo.
Tara, let's go!
Social yung lugar. Social. Good morning po. I'm looking for Ma'am Keesha.
As of the moment po, wala si Miss Keesha.
Okay.
Yes po, ano po bang concern natin?
Well, actually, na-invite po kami to check out the project po. So, we're interested to para kung tingnan po yung mga model house, yung mga units po.
Okay sir, represent po muna namin ang short video.
Alright, sure.
Hello. I'm Keesha Catli, property. Nurse po ako ni Ma'am.
Hello, Ma'am
Ako
Sarah.
yung mag-assist. By the way, sir, yung developer natin is North Mainland Incorporated.
Okay.
We have 4 shareholders, sir.
Okay.
Which is Mongolian, BDO,
BDO.
Metrobank, and San Miguel Properties.
Wow, or big companies lang pala. Okay.
Dalawa ang kaming project, sir. Montana View and Montana Project.
Okay. For us to visualize more kung ano yung mga units nila dito per views and sa Strands, mas maganda tignan natin sila. So we're gonna have a house tour. Alright, so let's go! Okay, so sa likod natin ngayon, ito yung model houses ng Montana Views. So this is the first project na we're gonna visit, yung mga model houses nila. So tara, samahan nyo kami!
This even house model, sir, even with that. Lot area niya is 100 square meter. Yung floor area niya, sir, 60 square meter.
Okay.
It has 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath.
Okay, so sa next house naman tayo ngayon.
Hi sir!
Yes, hello.
Jelay po sir, from
Hello,
Montana.
Jelay. Yes.
Bali sir, ito po yung model house po natin na brick. It has 85 square meter po yung floor area niya, and
Okay.
then yung pong lot area niya is 100.
Okay.
And then sir, it consists of 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath.
Yes po.
Hello sir, welcome to Montana Views, and we're here at Quincy Model.
Okay.
Quincy Model is one of our best seller here at Montana Views.
Yeah, okay.
It's a single detached and 120 square meters of a lot area, and floor area po niya is 130. It has 2 toilet and 2 toilet upstairs. There is 1 maid's room and 3 bedrooms sa taas. So I hope na magustuhan niyo yung Quincy model namin. It's because our Quincy is one of our best seller.
Alright.
Welcome to this unit. By the way, I'm Brian De Jesus. This have 120 square meter lot area, and then door area of 120 square meter. 3 bedrooms and 1 maid's room and 3 toilet and bath. Also have a balcony, carport, and lanai.
Hi sir, good afternoon.
Yes.
Mary sa Kalasco from North Mainland,
Yes,
Property
hello.
Associate.
Okay.
So sir, nandito tayo kay Kendra unit. Si Kendra is 120 square meter, 93 yung floor niya. Meron tayong 2 bedrooms sa taas at saka 2 toilet and bath. Dito sa baba, sir, meron tayong restroom saka 1 toilet and bath.
Para sa huling model unit natin dito sa Montana Views, ito po ang Rushmore. So tara, pasok tayo.
Kapagyaro. Dito tayo ngayon sa model house Rushmore. Yung lot size ni Rushmore is 150 square meters and yung floor area 139. Meron siyang 2 bedroom sa taas and meron siyang 1 bedroom sa baba. And also, mayroon siyang maid's room. Mayroon siyang balcony and ang maganda sa kanya, dalawa yung car garage.
Okay, so yun ang house tour natin sa Montana Views. So let's check the next project, yun yung Montana Strands. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Okay, so this is the Montana Strands model house units, no? So dito natin makikita yung mga model houses. So we're gonna check them one by one. Samahan nyo po kami.
Hi sir, welcome po ulit
Yes,
sa
hello po.
Northfine. I'm Yan sa class
Yes.
from Property Associate of Northfine. So this is Ruby. Ruby is 80 square meter for yung villa niya and yung floor niya is 56 square meter. We have 2 bedroom po sa taas at saka 1 toilet and 1 kitchen.
Sir, good afternoon po.
Yes.
Welcome to Montana Strands. Ako si Lia, yung property associate po ng Montana Strands. Now we're here at the Trinity model. It's a single attached. That area niya is 80 and the floor area is 62. So meron siyang 3 rooms sa second floor and then 1 toilet here sa baba.
Hi sir, so this is Jelay. Again sir, andito po tayo ngayon sa Montana Strands. So, ito po yung isa sa mga bestseller po natin, yung model house natin. Bali sir, ito po, meron po siyang floor area na 71 square meter and then yung lot area po niya is 3 bedrooms and then 2 toilet and bathroom.
Hi sir, I'm Carla Fabian, property associate.
Hi, ma'am.
Welcome to Madison Model Houses. In Madison, it has 80 square meters lot area, 81 square meters of floor area, 3 bedrooms and 1 maid's room, and 3 toilet and bath.
Alright, so particularly for this house unit, pwede kang magdagdag ng balcony just like this. For our final model house unit house tour, ito po ang Nancy. So tara, tignan natin sa loob.
Welcome. I'm Raymond Caballero for Montana Strands. So, welcome sa Nancy model.
Okay.
Lot area ni Nancy starts from 80 square meters and the floor area is 77 square meters. Si Nancy have 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 in the ground floor and 1 in the second floor. So, ang maganda kay Nancy, meron siyang bedroom sa baba. So, ideally for sa mga old kids na
Yes.
kasama natin sa bahay.
So, mas maganda yung...
Sir, ito ba yung orange po yung ano, yung mga financing scheme natin. Sir, we have bank financing, pag-ibig financing, and in-house.
In-house. Okay, so since nakapili na tayo ng block and lot natin, ang gagawin natin ngayon, pupuntahan natin actually kung saan yung site. So titignan natin yung lot. Samahan nyo kami. Alright guys, so nakarating na tayo sa ating napiling lot, no? So yung napili natin ay
Block 5, Lot 13.
Yes.
Start siya here, sir. Sa
Okay.
may araw. Hanggang dun sa
So guys, na, who knows, this could be your, future home.
Yun, sir, nasa 150 square meters.
150 square meters and yan, ang dami pang available na houses dito. So might as well, no, inquire po tayo, leave them at the comment section. We're gonna be gladly assisting you po. So nandito tayo ngayon sa amenities area nila, no? And this one, as of course, if you notice, this is the basketball area. And then dito sa likod natin, ano yung ginagawa nila?
Amenities, sir. Diyan, makikita yung indoor fitness gym,
Ooh,
clubhouse, karaoke na.
wow!
Tapos yan, sir, kita yung sir, may swimming pool.
Ongoing na swimming pool
Ongoing,
for, yes,
for kiddie and adults.
for adults and kids. Alright. Okay, so we're done checking out the actual lot area, no? So gagawin naman natin ngayon, of course, we're gonna sign the reservation and then photo ops for memories. Tara!
Welcome, sir.
Yes! There you have it guys, no? From start to finish, tinulungan po namin kayo kung paano po yung proseso dito sa Montana Views and Montana Strands. So, if you're interested to own a house dito po sa Montana, make sure to contact po yung phone number na we're gonna leave in this information section. We hope to see you own a house dito po sa Montana. Tara!